Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where I get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about the Honor 400 Pro. Di pa nag-iinit. Kaka-launch lang ng Honor 400 and now we have the Honor 400 Pro. Why? Because you guys asked for it. You guys want something more. You guys want something a bit more professional or more pro version itong Honor 400 and now Honor gives it to us. Alright? Now we have it here. We have the midnight black color. So, medyo glossy yung kanyang camera module here. So, medyo smudge, ano siya. Makikita nyo yung fingerprints dyan. Andiyan na siya. Marami. Pero dito, matte siya. Also comes with a case, So, ito siya. Medyo, the usual clear jelly case. So, ganito siya. But what is inside this one? Well, you have the case. You have the SIM ejector pin. We have some manuals and everything. And it also comes with a charging brick na 100 watts. Honor Supercharge. Also comes with a, syempre, charging cable. Hindi naman siya mawawala. I think that's it. Wala naman siya masyado sa box. But inside, you will also have the manuals and yung SIM ejector pin niya, as mentioned nga kanina. But this one has 512 gigs of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. Screen niya is 6.7-inch quad curve screen. So all sides, may slight curve lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya super steep na curve or medyo matalas yung curve. Hindi eh. Parang regular curve, ano lang siya. Ang isa sa mga hinighlight din ni Honor before sa mga previous devices nila is yung AI comfort. They're very big into making sure that eye comfort display niya is maayos. So marami siyang risk-free dimming, AI defocus na eye care, low blue light, may mga natural tone tsaka mga AI night display siya. So maraming features din siya nakasama. For durability, SGS 5-star premium certification. For drop and crush resistant. If you guys are asking, this one is IP68 and IP69, dust and water resistant. For the processor, this one is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform. Now for the main camera, we have the 200 megapixel ultra clear main camera. 50 megapixel AI telephoto camera at 12 megapixel ultra wide at saka macro camera din siya. We're going to ask about the selfie naman niya. Yung selfie portrait camera niya is also 50 megapixel. So sa photo and video naman itong Honor 400 Pro, marami rin siyang AI features made before photo, for video, and after, like sa editing part, marami na rin siyang AI features which I will just list them down below. Sobrang dami niya. So if narinig nyo na yung mga AI features before, malamang nandito rin siya. Super zoom, AI photo enhancing, outpainting, erase, and everything is going to be on this phone. Image to video, outpainting, eraser passerby, remove reflection, Facetune, upscale, cutout, tsaka AI moving collage. Meron na rin siya nun. Now, battery, this one has 6,000 mAh of battery. Ang charging niya, 100 watts for wired, yung cable, yung kanina nakita yung charger. And 50 watts for wireless. Dual stereo speaker with voice care. At yung OS niya is Magic 9.0. Powered by Android 15. At marami siyang key AI experiences. Magic Portal, AI deepfake detection, translation, circle to search, Honor Notes, at saka AI writing tools. So marami pa siya, no? So I'm excited to share with you guys some photos and videos that I took using this Honor 400 Pro. So pretty sure there's going to be some really cool outputs din, no? But if you want more in-depth, head over to the blog mixoferything.net. But for now, enjoy na lang natin gaano kaganda tong phone na to. Talagang, gusto ko talaga to eh. Personally, I like the Honor 400 series sila. Ganda. H series sila. Yan siya. With lots of AI features. Okay, that is it for the quick unboxing of the Honor 400 Pro and first impressions. If you want more details, just head over to the blog mixoferything.net. For other questions and comments, make sure you put them down below or reach out to me on my socials, Mike Soon on Instagram and Mike.Soon on TikTok. There, I'll be able to share more photos and videos about this phone. That is it for me. My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next one.